Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to renew your Norton 360 subscription using your product key. I'm assuming you've already purchased it. If not, you can check the link in the description section to get it at a discounted price on Amazon. I'll show you two ways to renew your subscription. So first log into your Norton account and then load this web page or URL, and you'll find the link in the description section. It'll bring you to this page. Enter your product key into this box and then click on Next. It'll bring you here. Then scroll down to the Auto Renewal section. And if you want to auto renew, you'll need to enter your payment card details here. I would not recommend doing this because you'll be paying a much higher price. Then scroll down and then click on Skip. You'll see this pop up asking you if you're sure. Click on Skip for now. And you'll get a confirmation that a subscription is now active. If you do need to install Norton 360, you can then use these two options, but if you've already done so, you don't need to do this. Now let me show you a second way. So I'm using Windows 10, but the process would be similar if you're using Windows 11. So click on the system tray icon in the bottom left corner of the taskbar below. And then click on the Norton 360 icon. It'll open the Norton 360 app. Then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. And then in this section, hover your mouse over the serial number and then click on Enter a Key. You'll see the same product key box that I showed you earlier. So essentially you would follow the same process like I showed you earlier. And then once you've completed the process, it will automatically update it. If not, I would suggest that you log out of your Norton account and then log back in. But that's pretty much it. You can check this link in the description section if you want to get Norton 360 at a discounted price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.